Okay, to try to find out why the game is erratically scoring, you want to take the glass out, start up a new game. A lot of times what I do is gently. If you do this, now here you can see the 2 just went out up top. That little bit of vibration tells me that the switch on number 2 relay is a little close. And that gave us 200 points. If you're having a problem with 300 points or 500, you're going to want to look at the switches underneath there. It's the same type of switch, John, I think you had to adjust up here when you first got the machine. The blade should momentarily close when the ball rolls over it. If it's a little too close, it's going to arc if there's any kind of vibrations, or even without a vibration, it may just arc and intermittently score. You can see it happening on this game. There's a few switches on this game here that could stand to be adjusted. Obviously, when you're playing the game, if it does it every time, then it's really close. But you want to look at every one of the relays that's associated with the particular scoring problem that you're having, whether it's 500 or 300. Try to nail down exactly what it's doing, if it's the 3 or the 5, or you could just check every one of the switches that in question, the 500, the 300, or the 200. You just have to bend it so that there's enough of a gap so that it can't arc. Obviously you do that after you lift the playfield. Get in there with a good light, make sure you got enough of a gap. Like I said, the weight of the ball pushes down, closes the switch, and that's what creates the scoring. So we call the problem you're having phantom scoring. Okay? So just get a good light, get in there and take a look at the gap on those relays in question. I mean those switches, not relays. Okay? That should